Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will solve this interesting algebraic equation. So I'm going to start by writing y squared multiplied. Now I'm going to expand this according to the law of indices. So it's going to be this way: 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2y plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 1 plus 2 raised to the power of y equal to, here also I will expand this, so here will be 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 times 2. Now I expand this according to the law of indices, then plus y square multiplied by 2 raised to the power of y times 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Now we'll continue again. Now this 2 raised to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as 1 over 2. So I will say y squared multiplied by this will give me y squared all over 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1, then plus this 2 raised to the power of y plus 2 raised to the power of y, all equal to, then this now we say here will be 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 times 2. Then now this 2 raised to the power of minus 2 is the same thing as 1 all over 4. So I can simply say that y squared multiplied by 1 over 4 will give me y squared all over 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of y. Then now my next step now will be to collect like terms. I'm going to collect like terms now. So I'm going to say y squared all over 2 multiplied 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 times 2 is equal to, now here will be y squared all over 4 times 2 raised to the power of y minus 2 raised to the power of y. Now I'm going to factorize here now. This now is common both here and here, so now I'll put this outside in the bracket. So here we'll say 2 or factorize. So here will be 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 open bracket. Now this expression here divided by this, now we're left with y squared all over 2 minus 2 equal to, now we come to this side also again. What is common? 2 raised to the power of y is common. So we say 2 raised to the power of y open bracket. Now this divided by this, we have y squared all over 4 minus, then this divided by this as 1. So we have this. Now my next step now will be to, I want to take this expression inside here now. So we'll continue. We say 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2y plus 1 open bracket y squared all over 2 minus 2. Then when this come inside, it change to minus, so minus 2 raised to the power of y open bracket y squared all over 4 minus 1, all equal to 0. Now I'll continue again. I'm going to write this. So we say 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 open bracket y square all over 2 minus 2 minus this 2 raised to the power of y. Now in this bracket here, now I'm going to factor out 1 over 2. I'm going to factorize this bracket here. I'll bring 1 over 2 outside so that what I have in this bracket will also be equal to this. So on bringing it, I'll bring 1 over 2 out, then open my bracket. Now this divided by 1 over 2, now we have y square all over 2. Then 1 minus 1 divided by 1 over 2, we have what? 2. So close my bracket, all equal to 0. Then we continue again. So we say from here now, I can say that this is 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2y plus 1. Open bracket, y square all over 2 minus 2. Close my bracket. Then now this now will now become 2 minus 2 raised to the power of y all over 2. Open bracket, y square all over 2 minus 2 all equal to 0. Now what we have here now is now the same with this, so I'm going to factorize this expression now. So I can simply say that y square over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2y plus 1 minus 2 raised to the power of y all over 2 all equal to 0. That's this and this is in this bracket here now. So from here now I can say that y square all over 2 minus 2 equal to 0, and this now is still the same thing as 2 raised to the power of y minus 1. So and this now write it again. I'll say 2 raised to the power of square root of 2y plus 1 minus, so this expression here, now we know that this is 2 raised to the power 1. So according to the law of this expression here can be written as 2 raised to the power of y minus 1 according to the law of indices. Now all equal to 0. So that is this expression here now is the same with this. Then now I will continue. From here now I can say that y square all over 2 is equal to, take this minus 2 to the right hand side, it turns to just 2. Then we say and 2 raised to the power of the square root of 2y plus 1 is now equal to, will be equal to, I'll take this minus outside here, so it changes to 2 raised to the power of what? Y minus 1. Then now I'm going to cross multiply here, so we have y square equal to 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4, and now this and this, they have the same base, so I'm going to equate the power here. Now we can say that the square root of 2y plus 1, that's this power, is equal to y minus 1. Then from here now I can see that, take the square root of both sides, I can see that y is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4. And now in this other part here, I'm going to square both sides to remove this square root sign. So when I square both sides, we now have 2y plus 1 equal to y minus 1 square. So we continue, we say y is now equal to, from here, plus or minus 2. Square root of 4 is what? 2. And now here is what? 2y plus 1 equal to. Now I'm going to expand this bracket. We have y square minus 2y plus 1. So On expanding this, I got this now. So now we'll continue. So from here, we already know that y is equal to plus or minus 2. So now let's continue with this. Let's simplify this further. So now I'm going to collect like terms on this expression here now. So we have y squared minus 2y. Now take this one this way, so it'll be minus 2y plus 1. Then take this plus 1 here to become minus 1, all equal to 0. Then now we have y squared minus 2y will give me minus 4y. Then 1 minus 1, that's 0. So we're now equal to what? 0 here now. The next thing I'll do, I'm going to factorize the left hand side here now. So y is common. So we say y open bracket y, that's y squared divided by y, that's y, minus 4y divided by y, that's what? 4. Then all equal to 0. Then from here now I can see that what? Y equal to 0 and y minus 4 is also equal to 0. So from here again I can say that what? From here now I can say that what? Y is equal to, take this minus 4 to the right hand side, so y equals to what? 4. So the root of y in these equations are what? Y is equal to 2 minus 2, 0 and 4. So this is my solution to this equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.